pen klein ya ka jingsumar paitba shadu ki shnong ki bajngai bat ban pen sapriang ya ka khubor halor ka koit ka khia na kalyang ka landmark foundation ha ka jingye trelang bat ka society for action in community health kala pelai paitba ya ka kali ai jingsumar kabalatip kum ka health on wheels ka mobile medical unit ka ban lei a jing shakri shakishnong kandong ka jingtmu jong ka ne ka project ka long ban pen klein ya ka rukom trekam jong ka koit ka khia ha kishnong bat ban pentikna ba ki paitba kin yo ya ka jingsumar ka bapaka kani ka sinjam ka thumu ban pynpoi ya ka jingsumar hakumba arphotli kishnong hariboy district ka mobile medical unit kan ai jing shakri paitba hakhardop jong kishnong khamtam ya ki kenthe armen ki khnaret ki rerongba bat ki wi pat ki badon ha ki jing e ban yo jing erap ha kapor ka babyang bat kane ka program kalong shibanta na ka jing thmu ban panjana ya ka jing shakri paitba ha ki thain nong kandong bat ban pentikna ba ka jing sumar kan poi shaki badon kam ya katika kali health on wheels la pelai paitba menta ka sngi ha sning da u Dr. Celestine Lengdo u MLA ka sning constituency kumu kongsan lai don rengkat langru u Sampat Kumar principal secretary ka Sarkar Jilla Kaswita Monjal chief communication but CSR officer ka Glenmark pharmaceuticals u KP Rajandran na kalyang ka Sach lember ki we pat ki nongtre jong ka tanat ka koit ka khia.
This clinic on wheels has been commissioned today. We flag it off with this green flag. So with great pride and honor and with hopes that this mobile clinic on wheels will be able to serve our people, we cut this ribbon as a mark that the service will be started.
Doctor can go inside.
This will be very helpful because our Meghalaya has a lot of challenges in terms of geography because we all the villages are located in the remote areas and it's very difficult for people to access any service. So anything that is actually taking the services closer to the people is always welcoming. In fact, this is again, I think all of you know our Honorable Chief Minister Shri Konrad Chanmaji is really providing a lot of support and focus for healthcare, providing better healthcare, especially for pregnant mothers and children, using Chief Minister's Safe Motherhood scheme, and using that we are able to provide a lot of support. And this is again, we also in fact last week we had a meeting in Delhi with all the CSR companies, essentially how do you actually bring, this is again a CSR effort of Glenmark Foundation. So last week we have a meeting and today like this week we are having in reality. So I think this is something with the speed, the way actually things are happening in the state. I'm really happy about it because this is going to make a significant difference in fact. And we also put this here because our Honorable MLA has been taking a lot of initiatives in this particular place, and this will add to the work what he's already doing. So that's what we really wanted this, especially this Health on Wheels, which is going to go every week, 15 villages, it visits 15 villages every week. So these 15 villages, we'll also wanted to study how actually these 15 villages are doing, how like people like you, the community leaders, the Rangba Shnongs, village health councils, they can really use this because they know that like this day in a week, this vehicle will come, the doctor will come, Dr. Iba, where is she, Dr. Iba? So Dr. Iba is here, I think you can all see her. She's a doctor coming to your village, on every week. And then along with doctor, there is a nurse, there is a lab technician, tests will be done. If you have a blood pressure problem, sometimes we neglect that because to go to the hospital because we are busy with our own work. But now that healthcare is coming to doorsteps, you can actually get your test done, get medicines, and you can also be connected with the PHC, CSC. So it's a very good model. This is not like, it's not one of the kind of a model. I request the Glenmark team also, such also, if you can really implement it well, we might at a state level will take it as a model. Whereas, for example, our doctor is here, medical officer in charge of CHC, Shnong is here. I think you can see him. And maybe he has 3 doctors. One doctor can go like this. One doctor's job is only to outreach. So this kind of a model, that's what we wanted to study this model, how this participation, I think we'll do a proper study. And if it is really working well, and then actually, state government can actually bring this one across the state. So this is something that I would like to, that's why we have taken an effort to come here and, to really be part of this wonderful program. I thank you very much.
World. I'm Shweta Munjal, and it's truly an honor for me today to, actually be part of launching Health on Wheels. This is our 5th Health on Wheels initiative across 7 states that we work in. And I think one of the things that I'm very proud to say it is last year we launched boat clinic in Assam, and it became, it actually reaches communities in Riverine where, unfortunately access to healthcare didn't exist in a long time. One of the best part is boat clinic actually won the biggest awards. It's called Oscars of Pharmaceuticals. It's called Scrip Award that we won this year. Health on Wheels, actually at Glenmark Foundation, we work at the intersection of healthcare access and community trust. Our focus is maternal and child healthcare, and this is important because early intervention actually shape lifelong outcomes, and that's why it's very important. Our core purpose is enriching lives for a healthier and happier world. I think Health on Wheels is primarily designed as a mobile healthcare service. It's not a one-night, one-time camp. It's absolutely helping. It's going to help children who are 0 to 6 years of age, pregnant and lactating mothers. It will do preventive screening. It will actually do early counseling, social, development, behavior change counseling also here. We are very thankful to the community workers here who are supporting us. Again, I would like to sincerely thank Government of Meghalaya for their partnership. Shri Sampath Kumarji, your partnership has been hugely valued for aligning it with the state health priorities. Sir, Dr. Celestian Lingjaw, sir, thank you. Your presence here absolutely reflects how important clinically grounded leadership is. Thank you so much. And Shri Royson Nongpriji, thank you so much. Your message was so compelling. You're absolutely right. It is important, it is essential to ensure lasting healthcare outcomes for the community. Rajendran sir, thank you. And the entire Such team, I think your passion is so important, and thank you for helping us build a lasting, translating our intent of, taking healthcare across and building or executing it so well. Thank you. We promise you from Glenmark Foundation, that this flag off of our Health on Wheels is actually our commitment to community, to our continuity, to our collaboration, most importantly, our accountability for this beautiful state of Meghalaya. Thank you so much.
About the changes in the health scenario of those project villages. Apart from having a qualified medical team, the van has also a pathology, that means a laboratory unit, which can do the basic medical tests that is necessary for proper diagnosis. It also has an ECG machine and good collection of medicines required for giving to the patients. I take this opportunity to thank the Glenmark Pharmaceuticals for this CSR initiative and this wonderful support being extended to us. And I do also like to express my gratitude to Ms. Tinsi and Abhishek ji for providing us all the support and quickly working on for making this project come to a reality. And much more about it, Such has been working in Meghalaya for the last 10 years. We have started working here with school health programs, particularly school health sanitation programs, in almost all districts of Meghalaya, covering close to 200 schools. And then we moved on to intensive phase of programs called community development initiatives, which is very holistic in nature, covering almost all aspects of developmental issues starting from drinking water, sanitation, livelihoods and various other developmental requirements. In a humble way, I would like to say that we have been able to show our presence in Meghalaya in these years, and we have been able to reach out to the most needy communities in Jirang and in various, covering about 75 villages in Ribai block.